Shiva Organic brings another very healthy recipe, the refried beans with Khapli wheat tacos. Soak Shiva Organic's Harshil Rajma overnight and in the morning pressure cook it for 4 to 5 whistles and drain the water. In a blender, grind the rajma without any water. In a pan, add oil and saute garlic, onion and capsicum. Do not overcook the vegetables, let the vegetables be crispy. Add tomatoes and Mexican seasoning, chili flakes and salt as per taste. Add the mashed rajma and cook for another few minutes. Add ketchup, which is optional. Adjust the consistency with a few drops of water and cook for another 2-3 minutes until it's ready. Now place the refried beans on Khapli wheat tacos. Cook them on both the sides on tawa until crispy. Now add lettuce and salad of your choice. Add the hung curd. Fold the tacos and it's ready.